I wanted to talk about the different affiliate marketing platforms. Okay, usually when you're searching on the web, and a lot of people are talking about like different ways to make money or how to get started with affiliate marketing and things like that. Excuse me. They're always talking about Clickbank. They always use Clickbank as the example. Okay, while Clickbank is an okay platform, there are plenty of other platforms out there that may suit your needs a lot better than Clickbank. Okay, see, each of these platforms have something that they specialize in, or a couple of niches that they specialize in. They're not all great as far as variety is concerned. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about a couple of different affiliate networks and some of the things that they specialize in. That so like when you go to sign up for these platforms, you know exactly where to go and what to expect from these platforms. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer so I can show you these different platforms and what you can expect from them. Alright guys, so I am going to go ahead and start out with Clickbank. Okay, the reason is Clickbank is not good for everything. Okay, there are some certain things that Clickbank is good for, and I want to just cover that real quick because while Clickbank does have a wide variety of products that you can promote, not every niche within Clickbank is worth even checking out. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account, and then I'll go ahead and show you which niches are actually pretty good for Clickbank. All right, please. Alright guys, so I'm in the marketplace of Clickbank, okay, and as you can see, they have a whole list of different niches that you can choose from, okay. Now, here's the thing. It's one of the things that I don't really like about Clickbank is they have all these products here, right? And let's go into the business and marketing, okay. Now, they go by gravity, and there's a loud motorcycle out there, but they go by gravity, which basically is something like how many people are actively promoting and making sales off of this product or program. Okay, but the thing about it is you really don't know how old some of these products are, and you could be promoting a really old product with outdated marketing materials and things like that. Okay, so you really got to pay attention to like the programs or products that you're promoting, like checking out the different sales pages and stuff like that. Okay, they give you a little bit of information, but not a lot. Okay, you'll really have to dig into the affiliate pages and things like that, or the sales pages to find like more useful information and stuff like that. Okay, but going back to the marketplace, okay, as you can see, they have all sorts of different niches and stuff, and I would say not all of them are great. If you're going to use Clickbank, I would suggest that you go into the health and fitness. If you're in health and fitness, Clickbank is a good platform because they have a lot of fitness and health related products, and there you always see a lot of successful products in this section, and you see a lot of products cycling through. I'll say, okay, I'll say e-business and e-marketing. You'll find a lot of good products there if you're into the make money online niche and stuff like that. You can also find stuff in self-help, which would be like dating and survival and things like that. Those work really well. Okay. And I mean, I guess that would be in self-help too, like dog training and stuff like that, like animal and dog training. That stuff does really well. You can find those type of products on Clickbank, and you'll be good to go with that stuff. I wouldn't really mess with anything else too much. Maybe the business and investing, like for like forex trading and all that other stuff, like Bitcoin and all that stuff. Maybe that, but everything else, I wouldn't really mess with it too much. Okay, and maybe home and garden. All right, But other than that, I think those are like pretty much the categories within Clickbank that actually do well. Okay. So moving on, we have MaxWeb. Okay. And MaxWeb is another affiliate network, and most of the stuff that you'll see on MaxWeb is health and fitness, beauty, nutrition. Okay, these are most of the products that they promote. They do have some dating things. Okay, not that many, but most of it is diet and fitness. Okay, health, digital products and stuff like that. Health supplements. Okay, Nutra, and like skincare and body and beauty and stuff like that. These are the things that you see a lot of. Okay, they do have some survival stuff. Okay, but it's not as much as like their health and fitness and beauty and stuff like that. Okay, e-commerce, it's not really, physical products, but not really anything like courses or anything that It's more like physical products that you can sell. Okay, but for the most part, it's all their health and fitness and beauty stuff. So if you're in the health niche or the fitness niche, or if you're into beauty and stuff like that, and makeup and all that type of stuff, MaxWeb is a good place for you to get affiliate products from. Okay. So next we'll talk about JVZoo. JVZoo is another platform. Okay. And with JVZoo, most of the programs here that work with JVZoo is their software. Okay, a lot of people create like software as a service. They have like software as a service platforms, products and services and stuff like that. And if we click on that real quick, you can see like the different things that people have. Okay, usually like you'll see ebook covers, funnels, WordPress themes, and WordPress plugins, and stuff like that. Okay, cloud-based solutions. You'll see like all that stuff. You'll see on JVZoo. Okay, and they have different categories, and what I'll show you. Let's go into health and fitness. Okay. This stuff right here is PLRs, which stands for private label rights. This is like generic stuff that's created that you can use for, like if you wanted to add it on to a product, or if you wanted to give it away in order to capture an email. You can use it for like articles and email marketing and stuff like that. They give you all this stuff. It's pretty generic. You figure if somebody was buying this, thousands and thousands of people will be seeing it. So it's not really like I said, if you wanted to add it on the back end of a product that you were selling, or give it away as free material, you could do that. But I mean, as far as like looking for stuff to promote, I wouldn't promote none of that. Like the software stuff, I would definitely grab affiliate links for that stuff, but this right here, I wouldn't really bother. Okay, and again, a lot of the stuff is like PLR. Other than the software, everything else is like PLR. Okay, here's some stuff that isn't. Okay, but again, it's all like software-based stuff. Okay, and so this is what JVZoo basically specializes in. All right. So next we have Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is your go-to place for make money online products. Okay. They have all sorts of stuff that's make money online oriented. Okay, and that's basically what this whole platform is about. So if you're looking for different make money online opportunities to promote, then this is the platform that you want to go to. Okay. As you can see, every advertising, affiliate marketing, copywriting, CPA, Amazon, Google, Twitter, eBay, e-commerce, investing, okay, mobile. All this stuff is all geared towards making money online. So again, if you're in that niche, Okay, this is one of the go-to places for you to grab your affiliate links and promote products from. Okay. Now another one that's new. This one is new. It came out not too long ago. It's called Digistore24. I see a lot of the big name people in the industry moving over to this platform. They have different categories, okay, but this platform is still new, so they're slowly filling up, but there's still not as much on this website and this platform as it is in other platforms. Okay, so just take a look. Okay, you can see what you can find. Okay, they do offer some good commissions for their products. All right, so you just have to go through and look and see what they have. Okay, like I said, it's a new platform, but there is stuff being added on the regular. Okay, so this platform is slowly growing, and it's one to check out. It's definitely one to check out because there's something here for everybody, and you'll definitely find stuff here. Okay, and the last one that I want to talk about today is ShareSale. For those of you who are looking to promote physical products, you have ShareSale. Okay, all sorts: clothes, sneakers, shoes, jewelry, hats, bags, purses, everything. If you want a place where you can promote physical products and get a good commission, okay. So that's all I have for today. My camera's actually getting ready to die, so I'm kind of rushing before it dies on me. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, guys, and share this out with anybody who you think may find this useful as well. There's other people out there who are looking for ways to make money online. They're looking for ways to get into affiliate marketing, and they're wondering which affiliate networks is good for them and whatever niche that they are trying to get into. So share this out with anybody who you think may need it, okay? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.